Last week, I'm leading a gratitude retreat, and one of the participants says, Steve, I know this gratitude list thing that you're talking about. I know it's important. And based on your previous encouragement, I've tried making a gratitude list. In fact, I've tried it a few times, but it just doesn't seem to impact me the way that you talk about. It's almost like it's in my head, not my heart. Tell me some more. That's tough. So he tells me a little more. He says, my list, it includes things like, an amazing career, great place to live, great family trips, and I could go on and on and on. But it just doesn't seem to light a spark. And after a couple days, I give up. That is tough, man. I mean, thanks for sharing that. And then I say, did you know that your gratitude, every gratitude has 3 components to it? 1 is the benefit to you. 2, the cost or the sacrifice from somebody else. And 3 is the motivation or the reasons behind that person had for helping you. And what you've been doing is you've been focusing just on number 1, the benefits to you. Because here's what we know. Gratitude is always felt more deeply when we focus on the others who have helped us and the reasons that they did so. Just for example, think of your freedom. Huge benefit to you, right? Let me ask you this. How often do you take your freedom for granted? Turn to the second and the third component. Like, what did others sacrifice for you? Many gave their lives. And many more gave their peace of mind for the rest of their life. And why did they do so? So that you and others could live in freedom. They did it to stand for what is right. This experience of gratitude feels very, very different than just the benefits to oneself. Here's the subtle truth most leaders overlook. Gratitude becomes transformational only when it shifts from what I have to who made it possible. Like in leadership, that difference is everything. Leaders who focus on others' efforts, the intent and the motivation that others have, they create cultures where people feel seen, valued, heard, motivated, not just thanked. So for you, I got the same advice I had for the person on the retreat. When you make your gratitude list, make sure your gratitudes are focused on how others have helped you, both what they did and why they did it.